Suppose z is the standard normal variable. Draw the normal curve for each of the following probability statements to visualize the required area and determine the missing values. Report answers accurate to 2 decimal places. We have multiple parts in which we have some partially given information and have an unknown variable to compute. Let's try to make sense out of what it is that we know and what it is that we need to find and visualize it for a few examples. And you can use these examples to get the rest of the problems because they will be done in a very similar manner. For example, in part A, we are told that there is a probability that z is between 0 and some unknown number, and this probability is equal to 0.3599. Please notice, probability equal to 0.3599 indicates that this number is the area under the curve within the specified interval where z is between 0 and some missing value. It is really important to visualize what it means, and it will give you a very good clue of what to do to compute this unknown value. When I draw a diagram representing this statement, here's what I got. I got a normal curve that has a z-scale, which tells me right away that this is the standard normal curve with the center or mean at 0, and the size of the standard deviation is 1. And based on the empirical rule, we know that within 3 standard deviations, most of the data should be covered. So I draw 3 tick marks to the right, 3 tick marks to the left, and label this with a scale of size of 1. According to this statement, the area of 0.3599 should be anywhere between 0 and some mystery z-score. So I'm estimating where this point should be, and I'm labeling this chunk of area by the amount of 0.3599. I need to find this location on this number line that will satisfy such conditions. I want to remind you one more thing, that due to the fact that we have a lower boundary of this interval at 0, I know for a fact, due to the symmetry of a bell-shaped curve, the lower section below 0 under this curve must be 50%. So if I combine these two chunks of area, 50% and 35.99%, I will know the total amount of area to the left of this mystery z-score. The total amount of area is 50% plus 35.99% or 0.8599 in decimal form. The z-score that has that amount of area to its left can be computed using either the Art of Stat or Google Sheets or any other technology you have available, and it will give you the z-score of 1.08 rounded to 2 decimal places. Here is the Google Sheets we're using, and I entered the mean of 0, sigma of 1 for the standard normal curve, and I provided area to the left of the point I'm trying to find of 0.8599, and the resulting point is 1.08 rounded to 2 places as requested.